Welcome back. So it's the 2nd July, which means we can look at June's dividend income. It also means we're halfway through the year. Be interesting. Half the year has gone already. So there we are. So I've actually reduced the portfolio down by a few of the positions are gone. So some of the ones you've seen here right now, I'm not going to see for either a long time because I'll add them in a different date in the future with much more holdings instead of like 1 or 2. Or I just want to include them again. Simple as. So 6p from the Euro Stocks quality dividend. It's either still in or it's gone. 77 pence from the USD emerging markets government bonds. So these are all government bonds for it. Then we got £1.10 from the UK government. 37 pence for the USD Treasury, which is US government. And then 22 pence from the Eurozone government bonds. They've got Yield Max, this is MicroStrategy, so this is their option income. Interest dividend, £3.56, 75 pence from the 24 select month income, £17.50 from GCP. I can see those big ones come in. 50 pence from the income shares silver plus yield, that's gone. £1.64 from the S&P 500 income shares. Nasdaq 100 on the income shares, £2.20. Tesla is £2.37. I own them here because they don't pay a dividend. So income shares gold plus yield is 21 pence. That's gone as well. And then we've got the Palantir income shares, £6.36. You'll find through all these are interest because it's options. Couple of calls, that's a slightly different thing. That's just a standard dividend. 45p from the Global S&P 500. Then we got McFarlane, which is an individual stock, £2.70 from them. Then we've got the Global X Euro Stocks 50, which is the largest 50 stocks in Europe, 50p, and Nasdaq 100 covered call 50p. So 3 there were covered calls. Then we got the the Invesco Morningstar US Energy Infrastructure, £3.36. US municipal bonds, £1.30, municipal being more sort of local government. And then the S&P 500 equal weighting. As you can see, I've only got one there, so I do need to add to that. Or even take it out because I've got enough S&P 500 in there. So that's that. Gamma Communications, individual stock, 59p, and we had 4 of them. I will to add to that now. Let's come back down in price and into the red. Then we got the S&P 500 high dividend, low volatility. Then we got that S&P 500 in there. £1.17. That's not going to go anywhere anytime soon. And then we've got the Invesco preferred shares, 76 pence. Going towards the end of the month finally. Then we've got the Rex Tech Innovation Premium Income, 80p. So yes, tech innovation you can look at as a standard dividend. Then we've got the other Yield Max, which is the big tech options income, and that was £1.43. And then we've got the Rex Crypto Equity Income and Growth, £1.74. I'm not a particularly big thing on crypto, but a lot of people are, so if there's a way in which we can generate income from it, then that would be fine by me. Then we've got the JP Morgan Global Growth and Income, that's 58 pence. Then we've got the last two, Renewables Infrastructure Group, £18.88. I like to see them. And the PIMCO Advantage US Short-Term High Yield Dividend, £9.03. So that's my big monthly payer. And then Green Coat and this one by year are quarterlies. So that gives me a monthly total of £1.40, sorry, not £1. And then a total for the year so far of £530.50. I haven't written down my I'm doing the total on my unedited book. I do to give them the totals for the year. But I can also look on my spreadsheet for the dividend income either way. But on that one, I don't include the return of capitals. So, for example, when we look at here, there's a return of capital of over £1,000 in there. So that's accounted for on a different sheet. So as you can see, we've already had some ready now for this month, but that was June. So best luck with July. And in UK's term, we might have a new Prime Minister by the end of it. Who knows? So it'll be interesting. I'd imagine it'll be the same sort of service resume, but there could be some big changes. Who knows? Markets might react well, markets might not react well. Them not reacting well means I get to buy more better prices. Whatever that means. Right, see you all next month. Have a good month.